So this week I'm gonna show you how to make a homemade granola. I absolutely love making this because I find it's cheaper than most granola that you find in stores. There's less sugar and you can throw in whatever you like, whatever nut you like, whatever fruit you like, and it's just delicious. So I thought I'd share the recipe. Enjoy. Why I like making my own granola is because I can control what I put in it. So this one specifically has around 24 grams of carbs, 13 grams of fat, 8 grams of protein, and in total around 246 calories per serving, which is around 1/8 of a recipe or around 50 grams.